चलेगा ना, काम हो जाएगा। Something has happened or what? Oh, see. ओम नमो हो गया। परमो अनुग्रहो दंडो वृत्तेषु प्रभुनार्पितः बालो न वेद तत्तन्वी बंधुकृत्यम अमर्शनः परमो अनुग्रहो दंडो वृत्तेषु प्रभुनार्पितः बालो न वेद तत्तन्वी बंधुकृत्यम अमर्शनः परमो अनुग्रहो दंडो परम अनुग्रहो दंडो वृत्तेषु प्रभुनार्पितः वृत्तेषु प्रभुनार्पितः प्रभुनार्पितः बालो न वेद तत्तन्वी बालो न वेद तत्तन्वी बंधुकृत्यम अमर्शनः बंधुकृत्यम अमर्शनः परमो अनुग्रहो दंडो वृत्तेषु प्रभुनार्पितः बालो न वेद तत्तन्वी बंधुकृत्यम अमर्शनः परमो अनुग्रहो दंडो वृत्तेषु प्रभुनार्पितः बालो न वेद तत्तन्वी बंधुकृत्यम अमर्शनः परमो अनुग्रहो दंडो वृत्तेषु प्रभुनार्पितः बालो न वेद तत्तन्वी बंधुकृत्यम अमर्शनः
परमो अनुग्रहो दंडो वृत्तेषु प्रभुनार्पितः बालो न वेद तत्तन्वी बंधुकृत्यम अमर्शनः परमो अनुग्रहो दंडो वृत्तेषु प्रभुनार्पितः बालो न वेद तत्तन्वी बंधुकृत्यम अमर्शनः
परमो अनुग्रहो
दंडो
वृत्तेषु प्रभुनार्पितः
वृत्तेषु प्रभुनार्पितः
बालो न वेद
वृत्तेषु प्रभुनार्पितः बालो न वेद तत्तन्वी बन्धुकृत्यममर्षणः परमो अनुग्रहो दण्डो वृत्तेषु प्रभुनार्पितः बालो न वेद तत्तन्वी बन्धुकृत्यममर्षणः
Hare Krishna, everybody.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी सादर प्रणाम
प्रणाम
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी दंडवत प्रणाम।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी दंडवत प्रणाम
Anybody wants to chant the shloka?
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी आई वुड लव टू चैंट
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी परमो अनुग्रहो दंडो भीतेषु प्रभु अर्पिता बालो न वेद तत्विना बंधु कृत्य अमर्षण। हरे कृष्णा
परमोनु हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी सादर प्रणाम परमोनुग्रहो दंडो वृत्तेषु प्रभुनार्पितः बालो न वेद तत्तन्वी बंधु कृत्यममर्षणः। हरे कृष्णा
परमोनुग्रहो दण्डो वृत्त्येषु प्रभुनार्पितः बालो न वेद तत्तन्वी बन्धुकृत्यममर्षणः।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी परमो अनुग्रहो दंडो भृत्येषु प्रभुनार्पितः बालो न वेद तत्तन्वी बंधु कृत्यम अमर्षणः। हरे कृष्ण
परमो अनुग्रहो दंडो कृत्येषु प्रगुणार्पित बालो न वेद तत्तन्वी बंधु कृत्यममर्षणः। हरे कृष्ण दंड
प्रभु जी प्रणाम श्रोता परमो अनुग्रहणो दंडो भृत्तेषु प्रपुनार्पितः बालो न वेद तत्तन्वी बन्धु कृत्यम अमर्षणः। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी थैंक यू हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी परम अनुग्रहो दंडो भृत्तेषु प्रपुनार्पितः बालो न वेद तत्तन्वी बंधु कृत्यम अमर्षणः। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी थैंक यू
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी परमो अनुग्रहो दंडो भृतेषु प्रभुनार्पितः बालो न वेद तत्तन्वी बंधु कृत्यम अमर्षणः। थैंक यू प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी परमो अनुग्रहो दंडो भर्त्येषु प्रभुनर्पितः बालो न वेद तन्वी बंधु कृत्यम अमर्षणः। हरे कृष्ण
प्रभु जी परमो अनुग्रहो दंडो भृत्येषु प्रभुनार्पितः बालो न वेद तत्तन्वी बंधु कृत्यम अमर्षणः। थैंक यू प्रभु जी हरे कृष्ण
Hare Krishna. So let us continue. Paramaha, supreme. Anugraha, mercy. Dandaha, punishment. Vrityeshu, upon the servants. Prabhuna, by the master. Arpitaha, awarded. Balaha, foolish. Na, does not. Veda, no. Tat, that. Tanvi, O slender maiden. Bandhu krityam, the duty of a friend. Amarshanaha, angry. My dear slender maiden, when a master chastises a servant, the servant should accept this as a great mercy. One who becomes angry must be very foolish and not to know such is the duty of his friend. My dear slender maiden, when a master chastises a servant,
When a master
the servant should accept this
Service should
as a
accept
great
it as a
mercy.
great mercy.
One who becomes angry
One who becomes
must be very
angry
foolish
must be
to
very
know
foolish
such is
not
the
to
duty
know
of his friend.
that such is the duty of his friend.
friend. Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. Prabhupada ki jai. It is said that when a foolish man is instructed in something very nice, he generally cannot accept it. Indeed, he actually becomes angry. Such anger is compared to the poison of a serpent, for when a serpent is fed milk and bananas, its poison actually increases. Instead of becoming merciful or sober, the serpent increases its poisonous venom when fed nice foodstuffs. Similarly, when a fool is instructed, he does not rectify himself but actually becomes angry. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swaminiti Namine. Namaste Saraswate Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisheshai Shunyavadi Pashat Deshatarine. Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Paramo anugraho dando Niteshu Prabhunarpitaha Alo Naveda Tattanvi Bandhu Kritya Amarshanaha. My dear slender maiden, when a master chastises a servant, the servant should accept this as a great mercy. One who becomes angry must be very foolish. Not to know such is the duty of his friend. Okay, Hare Krishna. You know, they say in normal English, who is going to bell the cat? Now for ourselves, you tell me, you always have the situation that if this person becomes submissive, I have so many things to tell. Hota hai? But why we don't reciprocate in the same way? If I become submissive, people have so many things to tell. Hai na? See, we should not have a feeling that we are just dropped from a heaven. We are a great gift of the Lord to this world. This is all hallucination. Correct? The fact is, actually, we should always be eager. Any instruction. And then, anything good, even from a friend, and he can say, yeah, I think you should not do that. It's wonderful. See, Srila Prabhupada was preaching his mission, and who is he? The Acharya of the world. He is not in an ordinary position, Senapati of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And one of the qualities was that, even though he is in such an exalted position, people neglected him for 70 years. He was totally neglected by people, till 70 years of his life, except his guru, or his father maybe. People neglected his. He did not get upset. He has so much things to tell, but nobody came to him. Any instructions you can give? Nobody came. Nobody means nobody. It's not that he's not trying, he's going in magazine shop to shop. It's not that he's hiding in some remote area in Himalayas, so nobody could know the value. Prabhupada was in Delhi, in the busiest, what is the place called? Chippivada. Oh, Chandni Chowk ka part. Just the crowd is like, the lakhs of people. Abhi bhi, matlab, wahan pe, to cross a road is magic, if you can cross. So crowd. Just here to walk in that kitchen, so much crowd. And he's in that area, but anybody came to him, Swamiji, any instruction, Prabhupada would have delivered him. Right? So who is fortunate or unfortunate? The people are unfortunate, who do not take advantage. Like somebody was joking, every time we open mobile, all of us, correct? कोई message तो नहीं आया, है ना? भगवत गीता में कितना मैसेज है, कभी नहीं खोलते उसको। दैट सिंपल जोक है ना, मैसेज बहुत मैसेज है, उसको कोई नहीं खोलता। ये क्या पता नहीं, इधर ना कोई बेकार, ये क्या मैसेज है क्या बद्ध जीवा क्या मैसेज भेजेगा, खुद ही मर रहा है वो, है ऑल ग्राम कथा, व्हाट ही विल सेंड। They say there is no point of hearing to, we should not hear the sinful vibration from sinful people. पापी लोगों का आवाज नहीं सुनना चाहिए, अपना दुर्गति होता है ना, उनका आवाज भी नहीं सुनना चाहिए। आवाज के लोग बैठे हैं सुन रहे हैं, घंटों घंटों सुन रहे हैं, व्हाट इज द यूज? So there is so much opportunity is there. So Prabhupada was preaching, distributing books and everything. And then what happened? One day, one man told him, Swamiji, you are distributing magazines. Magazines will be thrown away. If you have books, books will stay. Now this message is from an ordinary person. True? Prabhupada took it like as if his guru has spoken through that. And Prabhupada, after that, stopped magazines, started writing books. Just imagine what is the position. It's a normal conditioned soul. But everybody sometimes speaks out of well-wish. So if we are in a position that ये मेरे को advise करेगा, ये है कौन ये? He's not looking at the who is speaking, he is looking at the content. And it's not easy actually. Somebody is criticizing you with it is not easy. Or correcting you, it is not easy to take it. We should look what is the content he's telling. Is it Prabhupada, did he think like that? Who is he to advise me? Iski himmat mere ko bolta hai. He's listening. Oh, correct. And Prabhupada just changed the course. So this is very unique. We see that Vedavyasa also has such a big exalted position. What position? Very exalted position. And Narad Muni himself says that you have done all the austerities. Prabhu, look at that. A very nice situation that comes in the first canto. He says, you have done so much work. Your austerities are unimaginable. Your knowledge is unimaginable. Correct? And he is himself incarnation of God. Prabhu, what happened but Prabhu? He said, no, I don't know, what should I do? He is eager to receive knowledge. And then what Narad Muni said, he said, you made a mistake. You forgot to glorify the Supreme Lord. Now what did Vedavyasa say? मेरे को क्या पता था? मेरे को सब मालूम है ना? You're not in that situation. See, if we are above advice, in Bhagavad Gita it is said, Yadate moho kalilam. Look at this verse, this is also a very nice verse. Yadate moho kalilam. Okay? That if there is it that the message is blocked now again? Yeah, it's open now. So he says, Yadate moho kalilam. This is a very famous verse in the Bhagavad Gita. If you have passed through all the delusions of the world, there is nothing to be heard now. So somehow we think we are in that position. Shri Radha Govinda ki? Don't you think we are in that position? अभी कुछ नहीं, अब समझ आ गया मेरे को कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस, मैं हो गया मुक्त पुरुष, अब मेरे को कुछ सुनने की जरूरत है. We feel we are in that position. But Vedavyasa can more feel like that. But he is not doing that because he is a genuine person. Because if I am here, the vimukta manina, ye ande arivandaksha vimukta manina ha, if we are in that vimukta manina, we are thinking we are liberated, then our heart should be full of spiritual ecstasies and joys. But Vedavyasa actually is a genuine person. See, if we introspect within our heart, we can see, I don't have love for Krishna. I don't have. मेरे हृदय में नहीं है. कुछ नहीं, मेरा हृदय, मैं अगर genuine है आदमी. So then he is always seeking, if I can get some association, somebody can inspire me to become more serious. Somebody can share his beautiful love of Krishna from his heart. so I can become engladdened. है ना? One needs to be genuine. Vedavyasa was genuine, even though he is such a big personality with so many accomplishments. He is not like that. Chalo, let us go to the situation. Okay, that is okay. So we are going to the Bhagavad Gita. What about the Bhagavatam? No, locate the Bhagavatam, the conversation between Vedavyasa and Narada. Beautiful in the first canto. So he says, it's nothing less. You have so many austerities. Prabhu. Narada is instructing Vedavyasa. So he says, you have. Everything is wonderful. But there's some mistake you have made. And Vedavyasa knows there is a suffocation within my heart. Heart is empty. We should also feel genuinely. And then when I'm in that situation, can somebody help me? He's looking and suddenly Narada Muni appears. Now for somebody who is genuine, this will always be the situation. But instead of Narada Muni coming and instructing, same way we have Prabhupada books with us. We can guide. Prabhupada has left his wonderful disciples with us, to guide us, लेकिन उधर इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. हम टीवी देख रहे हैं, न्यूज़ देख रहे हैं, क्योंकि हम लोग को पता नहीं कि my real problem is my heart is, just like Arjuna says in the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna, even if I get the kingdom of 3 worlds, I will not be happy. I am suffocated within my heart now. We are in the same position. And what did Arjuna do? He surrendered to Krishna. Karpanda dosha, so many weaknesses are suffocating me. Your weakness is suffocating us also. Karpanda dosha upata svabhava. Arjuna is just playing our part. He is surrendering. Krishna, I am suffocated. Ghutan ho raha hai. Pagal ho gaya. I have so many weaknesses. Prichhami, therefore I come to you. Please, you guide me. Not that Krishna is telling Arjuna something and Arjuna is saying, hey, क्या चल रहा है? दुर्योधन क्या है? गपशप. उसको तो बड़े अच्छे कपड़े पहने आज. He's not doing any grammar katha. एक शब्द सुन रहा था. So we are also like that. We can't concentrate. We are chanting, we can't concentrate. We are reading, we cannot concentrate. Because we do not admit the reality we are in. Vimukta maninaha. We are thinking here, our foolishness, that's as if I become liberated. Even though just knowing philosophy, what is the use of knowing philosophy? That we were hearing. I don't know where we heard. Remember we heard that it is good to know the philosophy, but greater than that the person is who can answer all the questions based on the philosophy. Greater than that is the person who is actually implementing what he is speaking. Greater than the person whose heart is free from any material desire, and greater than the person whose heart is full of love of Krishna. Stage by stage. But we can just know the philosophy, and with the worldview, that's called a worldview of philosophy, we can answer some questions. Abhi to uske aage to bahut jana tha na. We become satisfied. No? So this is Vedavyasa in that complex situation is so humble. Arjuna is so humble in that situation because both are admitting there is some kind of difficulty within the heart. You see the situation? Yeah, here it is. Shri Narada vacha bhavata anudita prayam yasho bhagavato amalam yene vasu tattusheta manyata darshanam akhilam. You have not actually, this is the answer he gives him. Okay? He says, when Narada instructs him, but before that, he glorifies him actually. Anyway, you have not actually broadcast the sublime and spotless glories of the personality of Godhead. That philosophy which does not satisfy the sense of the Lord is considered worthless. He has written by this time Mahabharata. He has written by this time 17 Puranas. He has written by this time 4 Vedas, which includes 108 Upanishads. और उसको बात कर रहे हैं आप. उसको इतना कुछ करने के बाद हम एक श्लोक नहीं लिख सकते जो वेद व्यास ने लिखा है ना. एक भी नहीं लिख सकते हम. कुछ होता है ना कभी मेनी टाइम लिख के दो, लोग लिखने में एक पेज नहीं लिख पाते है ना. ऐसे चलो प्रभुपाद के बारे में आज एक पेज लिखो, आपको पूरा दिन निकल जाएगा, नहीं लिख पाओगे. बहुत मुश्किल होता है लिखना है ना. और उसने कितने लिख दिए, लाखों श्लोक लिख दिए, वो भी संस्कृत में। वो लैंग्वेज सीखने का इस जन्म में उम्मीद नहीं है, ऐसा हालत है। बट इवन दैट पर्सन हु सच अ स्कॉलर, who is recognized as such a great personality, is being corrected by Narad Muni, but he's taking it. So Prabhupada is saying those who are foolish, they get angry when he instructs. Therefore, the situation comes. If he can be submissive, I have so many things to tell. But then, what about us? When somebody is instructing us, sometimes it is very important. We can learn so much. You are not actually broadcast, even though you are so great, my dear Vedavyasa. है ना? This is Vedavyasa so humbly submitting himself to Narad Muni. है ना? This is, yeah. This is Narada addressing. Yeah. See, actually what happened in the previous chapter, Vedavyasa's situation is explained. Prabhupada says in the purport very nicely, Vedavyasa, even though such a great personality, is in trouble. So we are also in trouble. But he knows from where the solution will come. ये इसने वो नहीं सोचा चलो यार 2 पैक दारू पी लेते हैं बहुत हो गया, इतना मेहनत किया कुछ नहीं. He is not thinking like that. He is not thinking let me do some smoking, let me do some other foolish activity. He is not thinking that. He is thinking where the solution will come. He is thinking of that. And he is thinking why my heart is empty. I have done so much. Why my heart is empty? At this time, Narad Muni appears. Okay, this is in that situation. I just want to show you his suffocation. Let us, we can have that words, Vedavasa suffocation. This all happened. Yeah, see that? Or twice one Brahmana, still his mind was not satisfied. Now can't we question myself and genuineness? Am I in happy stage of Krishna consciousness? I am not. Look at Vedavyasa, he's great. Prabhupada says, the greatness can be felt. Look at him. हमने तो उसका compared to Vedavyasa एक कोटि का काम नहीं किया, correct नहीं? Look at his renunciation. He's left the whole world, he's sitting in Badarika Ashram and he's writing one by one. So much Vedic literature is writing. In a पूरा room भर दिया किताब लिख के. And see, and now what is happening? Mind was not, although he engaged himself in working for the total welfare for people. हम तो अपने लिए ही काम करते हैं. वो किस लिए लिख रहा था वेद? For the Vidwam Chakra Sathas. He has written for the benefit of the people. After being dissatisfied at heart, हम तो अपने को गुणगान करते हैं, मैंने ये किया, मैंने वो किया. वो बोलना चाहता है तो 10 दिन तक बोल सकता है, तुम तो कुछ भी नहीं किए, हमने अपना ही भोग किया है ना. वो दुनिया के भले के लिए is sitting and he has written so much work he has done. कुछ छोटा काम नहीं है ना. At once became to reflect because he knew the essence of religion. He said to himself, I am under strict disciplinary rules. मैंने ये सब किया, strict discipline follow किया है. हमसे कुछ वो भी नहीं होता है. Unpretentiously, pretension मतलब नाटक नहीं है. Worship the Vedas, the spiritual masters and altars. I have abided by the rulings and I have shown the import of disciplinary succession through the explanation of the Mahabharata, by which even women, Shudra, others can see the path of religion. I am feeling incomplete. Look at it, a genuine person. I am feeling incomplete, though I myself am fully equipped with everything required by the Vedas. I feel I have all the accomplishment, I feel I'm correct, है ना? But घुटन हो रही है, और उसको एक डाउट आता है कि ऐसा तो नहीं मैंने गलती करी शायद, I didn't glorify Krishna properly. It may be, he has a doubt, but he wants to hear from an authority. I did not specifically point out the devotion service of the Lord, which is dear both to the being, a perfect being, and to the infallible Lord. And then when he's thinking like that, ये गलती हुआ क्या मेरे से, है ना? Narada Muni lands up. Then what does he do? He falls, he worship him. At the auspicious hour, Narada, Vaidyavyasa, God respectfully worship him, giving him veneration equal to that given to Brahmaji, the creator. Because he's representing Brahma, you give him as much respect we should give. And then, you see, good we can take from here only. Thus the sage among the gods, Narada, comfortably seated and apparently smiling, addressed the rishis among the brahmanas. He is comfortably seated. आजकल कॉलेज में उल्टा है, टीचर खड़ा रहता है, उसके पैर दर्द हो जाते हैं, और टीचर की उम्र क्या होती है 50-60 ईयर्स. ये तो 1 घंटा खड़ा होना उसका कैपेसिटी में नहीं है, पर उसको खड़ा रखते हैं. और कॉलेज सी द चेयर इज नॉट, गलती से भी चेयर नहीं होना चाहिए उसके पास, बैठने का नहीं उसको. एंड स्टूडेंट्स कंफर्टेबली सीटेड. रिवर्स, क्या ये एजुकेशन है? रिवर्स. द टीचर को बैठा रहा है, अपना हाथ शायद खड़ा होगा, इधर स्टूडेंट बैठे. मार्केट चल रही है ना, कस्टमर्स है, कस्टमर्स, क्योंकि यहाँ एजुकेशन पैसा लेके होती है, इसमें वो कस्टमर्स हो गए ना, करेक्ट. उधर रिवर्स है. ही इज वेरी कंफर्टेबली सीटेड एंड अपेरेंटली स्माइलिंग. भाई कॉमन सेंस भी है, जब बैठते हो तो खून सिर पे आता है, खड़े हो तो सारा खून पैर में जाता है. आदमी बोलेगा क्या? दिमाग पे तो है ही नहीं चलाने के लिए कुछ इंजन, है ना, फ्यूल है ही नहीं, खाली पड़ा है. एंड ही इज स्माइलिंग. दिस पर्सन इन नॉलेज, ब्रह्मभूता प्रसन्नात्मा, स्माइलिंग. Address the rishi among the Brahmana, Vedavyasa. There is the proper channel. They're saying, addressing Vyasadeva, the son of the Parashar, Narada inquired, are you satisfied by identifying with the body or the mind as the object of self-realization? वहीं पे गला पकड़ दिया उसका, देखते ही. Spot analysis. Proper says in the purport, spot analysis. Immediately पहुंचते ही उसका spot analysis हो गया. You see that? Immediately. Okay, chalo, वापस.
Prabhuji, we cannot see the screen, Prabhuji.
Oh, you didn't tell me I'm going since such a long time. I hear you. Sorry. Thank you. He's saying your inquiries are full. And Narada Muni is addressing Vedavyasa, and your studies are also well fulfilled. And there is no doubt that you have prepared a great and wonderful work. The Mahabharata, which is full of all kind of Vedic elaborately explained, is congratulating him. Okay? That you have written a great epic Mahabharata, and you have put down Vedas into writing, including 100 Upanishads. You have written Vedanta Sutras. इतना कुछ कर दिया तुमने, है ना? सब कुछ है. You have fully denied the subject of impersonal Brahman as well as the knowledge derived thereof. Why then you should be despondent in spite of all this thinking that you are undone? My dear Prabhu, क्या प्रॉब्लम हो गया? इतना कुछ करने के बाद you are in trouble. Now Vedavyasa says, all you have said about me is perfectly correct. In spite of all this, I am not pacified. How genuine is he? See, genuine आदमी को माल मिलेगा. How genuine is. I therefore question you about the root cause of my dissatisfaction. For you are a man of unlimited knowledge. Due to your being the offspring of one Brahma who's self-born without mundane father and mother. My dear Lord, okay, he's saying what he's saying. You know the cause of my dissatisfaction. I have a triumphant problem. Okay, you are a man of. My Lord, everything that is mysterious is known to you because you worship the creator and destroyer of the material world and the maintainer of the spiritual world. Okay? Everything that is mysterious is known to you. Everything you know. Okay? The original personality God is translated into 3 modes of matter. Like the sun, your goodness can travel everywhere in the 3 worlds. Like an air, you can penetrate internally to everyone. As such, you are as good as all auspicious super soul. Please, therefore, find the deficiency in me. That is only when you can take instruction. Tell me what is wrong with me. Guide me, please. Okay? Despite my being absorbed in the transcendence under the disciplinary regulation, वो सब कुछ कर रहा हूँ, मैं सारे नियम फॉलो कर रहा हूँ, है ना? सब कुछ कर रहा हूँ, 16 माला जप कर रहा हूँ, सब नियम, लेकिन बहुत खोटन है, क्या गलती कर रहा हूँ? Shri Narada said, this is the answer, you have not actually broadcast the sublime, spotless glories of the personality of Godhead. That philosophy which does not satisfy the transcendent Lord is considered worthless. Although great sage, you have broadly described the four principles, the Chatur Purusharthas, Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. You have not described the glories of the personality of Godhead Vasudeva. Those words which do not describe the glories of the Lord, which alone can sanctify the atmosphere of the whole world, are considered by saintly person to the place of pilgrimage for the crows. क्या लिख दिया तू ये सब? Since the all-perfect person inhabit a transcendental abode, they do not derive any pleasure there. On the other hand, this is the very famous shlokas, the literature which is full of discussions of the transcendental glories of the name, fame, form, pastime, etc., or the unlimited Supreme Lord is a different creation, full of transcendental word directed toward bringing about a revolution in the impious lives of the world's misdirected civilization. Such transcendental literature, even though imperfectly composed, are heard, sung and etc. purified men who are thoroughly honest. इतना ही follow कर सकते हैं क्या? See, Vedavyasa was genuine. What was he? Genuine. He recognized that there is within his heart, there is suffocation. And Narada Muni said that you have not put your time in glorifying the Lord. He is an incarnation of God. For us, we have not what, हमको क्या होगा? भाई तुम ग्लोरी, अरे तुम छोड़ो, तुम उसका लेवल में नहीं हो. You spend your time in hearing the glories of the Lord. है ना? But instead of hearing the glories of the Lord, what we are doing? Which do not describe the glories of the Lord. सुनते हैं भगवान की महिमा नहीं, कुछ और सुनते हैं हम लोग. Considered by saint a place of pilgrimage for the crows. कौवे किधर जाते हैं? डस्टबिन में, है ना? अभी भी दिखते हैं हमको कौवे. They sit on the cows and they dig. Okay, good only. But do not, it is a place of pilgrimage for the crows, है ना? तो उधर वायसम तीर्था, है ना? Since all perfect persons inhabit transcendental abode, they do not derive any pleasure there. But हमको तो बहुत pleasure आता है, नहीं? बैठ के we cannot stop it. So much appetite is there. So can we do this? By less, Narada Muni's instruction to Vedavyasa is for all of us. Can we follow this? We should just think deeply. Vedavyasa had a problem. Genuinely he accepted that as a problem. First, can we accept that we are in problem? Just think about it deeply. Look it in your heart. Be genuine like Vedavyasa. देखो दुनिया में बाहर लोग बहुत बोलने के लिए हैं. Vedavyasa had many disciples. Each line he made disciples. Puranas he gave to somebody, है ना? Each Veda he gave to one person, है ना? Mahabharata he gave to one person. मतलब इतने शिष्य थे, हजारों शिष्य होंगे उसके, है ना? है ना? गाथा बोलने वाला तो कोई कम नहीं है. But he is internally introspecting, है ना? हम लोग भी है. हमारा तो accomplishment उसके सामने कुछ भी नहीं है. छोटा मोटा ही है, कुछ 2 रुपए कमाया, ये किया है, घर बनाया, छोटा मोटा accomplishment होता हमारा है. गाड़ी खरीद ली है, ये करा. और उसमें ऐसे वो लोग जैसे 10 रुपये का नशे में रहते हैं, हाँ मैंने ये कर दिया, वो कर दिया. But we are not introspecting. In spite of all that, am I fully satisfied? I am not satisfied. You got it? है ना? अब उसके में क्या करना चाहिए उसके बाद satisfaction नहीं है तो? We should genuinely look what is the solution of this. And where is the solution? इतनी अच्छी अच्छी किताबें ना पढ़ो ना, मिलेगा. तो क्या पढ़ते हैं? भागवत थोड़ी पढ़ते हैं, पूरे दिन न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हैं. वो क्या लिखा उसके लिए? To be a place of pilgrimage for the crows. Why? Because those words जो आप न्यूज़पेपर पूरे दिन पढ़ते हो, do those words describe the glories of the Lord? No. Yes or no? No. तो क्यों कौवे का कूड़ेदान बैठे हुए हो? क्या मिलेगा तुमको कूड़ेदान में बैठ के? नहीं, बहुत अच्छा है, ठीक है. Since the all perfect personality, they do not derive, and for perfect persons who are animated and transcendent Lord, they do not derive any pleasure there. And then the next one. On the other hand, tadvag visargo janataga viplavo yasmin pratashloka padivati api. It is full of description of the transcendental glories of the Lord, name, fame, form, pastime, like Bhagavatam and Gita, of the unlimited supreme Lord of the different creation. Full of transcendental word directed toward bringing about a revolution. इनको सुनोगे तो हार्ट में एक आंदोलन आ जाएगा. In the impious lives of the misdirected civilization, such transcendental literature, even though imperfectly composed, are heard, sung, accepted, a purified men who are thoroughly honest. Okay, so this is what we need to do. And we see that is the course also taken by Arjuna. Even Rahuguna, with all the thinking, I am a big personality, मैं बड़ा आदमी है, ये है वो है, ठीक से चलाओ चैरियट, तुम्हें पिटाई कर देगा. Speaking ऐसे ही बोल रहा था ना. And Bharat Maharaj was holding this, palanquin, and he was very careful while walking because he was very worried that he may not hold properly and it may shake too much. He was very worried. Bharat Maharaj. So then what happens? Bharat Maharaj was worried that he may stamp on the end, so the chariot was not going up and down, not properly. And Rahuguna became very angry. So at that time, Rahuguna starts, they point out, this is the person who's the problem. So the Rahuguna says to Bharat Maharaj, so many things. You are fat man, you are thin man, you are strong, you are weak, so many things. He said, I'll beat you if you don't hold the chariot properly. And suddenly, Bharat Maharaj says to Rahuguna, whom you will beat? I am not the body, I am a spirit soul. And Rahuguna, by the way he was speaking, felt, I got an acharya today. That is his own decision. It was correct. He spotted. So even though he is such a big king, in his heart he is also seeking spiritual realization. And moment an opportunity comes, he saw, my God, he's a self-realized saint, looks like. He came and fell at his feet. Who are you? Because speaking, sir, I am not the body, I am a spirit soul. You cannot punish me anyway. What is fat, thin and all for the soul? He felt he has met a great saint. Even though उसके इतना राजा इतने उसके queens है, इतना बड़ा palace है, ये accomplishment, he wants to hear. And he hears Rahuguna with great attention. So he hears Bharat Maharaj with great attention. And he asks various questions and Bharat Maharaj keeps instructing him. He hears, becomes so wonderful. We have Maitreya also in the condition of Vidura is going all around the world. And when he sits in front of Maitreya, he hears him, keeps asking so many questions. Hears, and finally, when he's fully satisfied, then he gets up. So हमको भी वही माला पकड़ो, ऐसा जप करो कि हृदय satisfied हो जाए. Prabhupada किताब पढ़ो कि fully you become satisfied. We don't know where to seek satisfaction. Okay, so please spend time. Okay, otherwise if somebody is intoxicated with this little whatever small things he has and you are trying to instruct him, it is of no use. They will get angry. है ना? बोलने में मुश्किल होता है, डर लगता है. कौन लगाएगा बिल्ली को घंटी वाली बात होती है. कौन बोलेगा उसको? कुछ फायदा नहीं. We cannot instruct. I will become silent. है ना? होता है ना बहुत टाइम. पेरेंट्स का भी होता है ना? Want to tell but क्या करें, बच्चा तो सुनता है नहीं. So that is the reality in this world today. So then we should become very introspective, genuine, so that we don't miss a guidance which may be for our good. Okay, Hare Krishna everybody. Thank you.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Thank you. Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Sadhu Pranam. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Pranam Prabhuji.
Chalo, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna
Krishna
Prabhuji,
Krishna,
Sagar Pranam.
Hare
Hare Hare Hare Rama Hare
Hare
Rama
Hare
Rama Rama Hare Hare
Hare
Hare
Krishna
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Thank you Prabhuji Hare Krishna
Oh.
Hare
Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Rama